Good morning all. A warm welcome to the new session of Social Science class. How are you all? Fine? Good. So are you ready for the new class? Okay. In the last class, we had studied about the balance to physiographic classification of Kerala. Okay, can you please tell me what are the three physiographic classification of Kerala? Someone? Yes. Highland, lowland and midland. In the last class, which all classification we have studied? About which all classification? Yes, about midland as well as lowland. We had studied about the crops that are grown in midland and lowland, and also about the geographical peculiarities. Then we had studied about the Malayalam proverbs that shows deep relationship between agriculture and climate on our culture. Then we had studied about the changing land use. That is, we had seen a table that shows the variation in land usage of some important crops in past 50 years. Okay, from that table, can you please tell me which are the crops that have decreased in the land usage? Anyone? Yes, the paddy cultivation and tapioca. These are the food crops which have decreased in the land usage. And can you please tell me which are the crops that have increased in the land usage? Anyone? Yes. What's that? Rubber and coconut. These are commercial crops. And we also came to know about the drastic changes that happened in the land usage. What are the drastic changes happened? Yes, the conversion of paddy fields and ponds for other uses. Then someone is saying, yes, destruction of hills. Then unscientific agricultural practices along hill slopes. These are the drastic changes happened in Kerala. Today we are going to study about what are the changes happened in the lifestyle of Kerala. Can you please tell me how the old people or the old generation people of Kerala had done, or what kind of life or what kind of job that the old generation people had done? They worked hard in farms and fields. They do many physical exertions and they have healthy body and physically fit. But nowadays, many new employment opportunities arrived in Kerala. So what happened? The new generation people have attraction to the new employment opportunities. Can you please tell me why the new generation people have attracted to new employment opportunities? Why they cannot do agriculture job? The first reason is, in agriculture we have to do physical exertion, or we have to do physical activities. We have to work in under sun, we have to do much digging and all. But for the other new employment opportunities, we don't need to do much physical exertion, and the salary or the return that we are getting from this job is more comparing to agriculture. So because of this reason, people have switched over the profession from agriculture or farming to new employment opportunities. And this new employment arenas or this new employment opportunities and this changing lifestyle is became a main cause for many lifestyle diseases or new generation diseases like hypertension, heart disease, then diabetes, etc. And these diseases are collectively known by the name lifestyle diseases. Then the next problem faced by Kerala is the disposal of waste. This disposal of waste is a main problem in case of villages also. There are the measures taken by the villages or the local self-government in order to dispose waste are insufficient. But we had prepared and executed many plans in order to dispose waste that is generated from home, like biodegradable waste. What do you mean by biodegradable waste? The food waste from home into organic manure, and we can use it for vegetable farms as well as garden. Can you please tell me which are the new method of agriculture, new method of waste disposal introduced? One is vermicompost. The biodegradable waste can be used as vermicompost. For more details, you can contact or you can consult Krishi Bhavan how to make a vermicompost channel. Then another method of waste disposal, or the second new method of waste disposal, is biogas, making of biogas. This biodegradable waste can be used to make biogas. Government is providing subsidies in order to make biogas plants. We all know that Kerala's geographical features are suitable for agriculture, but we Keralites are not interested to do agriculture. But there are some people who think in a different manner, they have changed their attitude to do some sort of agriculture in the home. We can have a look of some examples of agriculture done by people, the new Keralites. We can have a look. There are some paper cuttings. Please have a look. Okay, these are some of the paper cuttings of or examples for the agriculture. One is പെയിൻറ് തിന്നിൽ ബാലുവിൻ്റെ കുട്ടിക്കൃഷി. The other one is കൊച്ചു സിയയ്ക്ക് മാതൃക അമ്മ. Then another one is അമിത്തിൻ്റെ അടുക്കളത്തോട്ടം. These are some of the examples of new generation agriculture. Then another one is you can see a picture of children doing some agriculture in their schools as well as in their home. Then bumper yield from eco-friendly farming. These are some of the examples of agriculture, and these examples are shown to you as a inspiration in order to do agriculture in your home. Some sort of agriculture, maybe fruits or vegetables in your home. Now, next we are going to study about what are the government schemes and plans introduced in order to promote agriculture. Our government has introduced many schemes as well as programs in order to promote agriculture. One such program is VFPCK. That's a short form. The full form is Vegetable and Fruits Promotion Council of Kerala. Then another scheme introduced by Government of Kerala is State Horticulture Mission. The aim of this council or this program is to promote agriculture of varieties of vegetables, fruits, medicinal plants, etc. And also it has an aim in order to promote beekeeping. Then other schemes or other agencies in order to promote agriculture are Agriculture Department, Kudumbashree Mission, etc. Then we are going to next study about the modern agricultural techniques. First technique is greenhouse farming. Do you know what about greenhouse farming? In severe cold regions, crops are grown in glass roofed rooms in order to protect that crop. That is known as greenhouse farm. We can have a look of the picture of greenhouse farm. Okay, this is the picture of greenhouse farming. We can see a glass roof here. So the crops are grown in this glass roof. The next the next modern technique of agriculture is precision farming. In this farming, this is another new method of farming which provides adequate water and manure for each crop and soil precisely or accurately. This system of farming is known as precision farming. We can have a look of a video that shows how the precision farming is done. Please have a look.
രീതിയിൽ ഒരുപാട് കൃഷിയൊക്കെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. കൃഷി ചെയ്ത് ആദ്യം ചെറുതായിട്ട് കൃഷി ചെയ്തതിനെ പറ്റി എല്ലാം മനസ്സിലാക്കിയ സമയത്താണ് VFCKയുടെ ഓഫീസർമാരെന്നെ സമീപിച്ച് പ്രിസിഷൻ ഫാമിങ്ങിൻ്റെ കാര്യം പറഞ്ഞത്. അങ്ങനെ ആയപ്പോൾ അതിനെപ്പറ്റി കൂടുതൽ സ്റ്റഡി ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് ഞാൻ പോയി പഠിച്ചു, എല്ലാം മനസ്സിലാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞാണ് ഞാനത് തുടങ്ങിയത്.
കൊല്ലം ജില്ലയിൽ ആദ്യമായി പ്രിസിഷൻ ഫാമിംഗ് ആരംഭിച്ചത് വിജയൻ പിള്ളയാണ്. മണ്ണ് കോരി ഉയർത്തിപ്പിടിച്ച വാരങ്ങൾക്കു മീതെ വിരിക്കുന്ന പോളിത്തീൻ കവർ, അതിനു താഴെ വലിച്ചിട്ട ഡ്രിപ്പ് ട്യൂബുകൾ, പോളിത്തീൻ കവറിൽ നിശ്ചിത അകലത്തിൽ നടുന്ന തൈകൾ, ചെടിച്ചുവട്ടിൽ തുള്ളി നന, വെള്ളത്തിനൊപ്പം വളവും. ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് പ്രിസിഷൻ ഫാമിംഗ് എന്ന കൃത്യതാ കൃഷിയുടെ ചിട്ടകൾ. സാധാരണ കൃഷി ചെയ്യുന്നതിൻ്റെ 10 ഇരട്ടി വിളവ് പ്രിസിഷൻ ഫാമിംഗ് നൽകും. ആധുനികതയും പാരമ്പര്യവും കൃഷിയിൽ എങ്ങനെ സമഞ്ജസമായി സമ്മേളിപ്പിക്കാം, ഇതിന്റെ തെളിവ് നൽകുകയാണ് ഈ 5 ഏക്കർ പറമ്പ്.
The next modern technique of agriculture is fertigation. Fertigation, in this technique of fertigation, manure and water is given drop by drop. So the fertilizers are completely soluble in water. These are some of the important modern techniques of agriculture. Next, we all know that the geographical features of Kerala is suitable for agriculture. Then my question to you is, why we can cultivate vegetables and fruits that we need in our home? Why we can cultivate? It's a question to you. And I'm giving you an example of, can you dream whether each family of Kerala is cultivating vegetables and fruits needed for them in their home itself? Then can you please also dream that each school is having a vegetable garden and the vegetable cultivated in that garden is taken for noon meal program? Then another dream. People of Kerala are working hard in farm and fields and they are becoming physically fit and they are not affecting any lifestyle diseases. What a beautiful dream. In order to fulfill that dream, we have to join our hands and work hard. So, my dear children, when you get time, please do agriculture, some sort of agriculture, maybe vegetables or fruits in your home itself, so that you can have poison free, pesticide free vegetables and fruits, so that you will be healthy, your family will be healthy, this society will be healthy. I hope you had enjoyed my class. We will meet next week with the next lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.